Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kosh at Mangeko 0. Taking a look here at Shiba Inu, there's kind of this sounds really weird, but there's a lot of altcoins that have kind of a similar setup to what Shiba Inu is doing here. So if you look back at the last part of January and looking at the bodies of the candlesticks, you can see a pretty tight range was traded, and you can see that Shiba's really just kind of fallen down to test that prior range. So it just completed the first test of that breakout. So that is a very normal standard thing to see play out. It's actually something that a lot of conservative traders wait for. They don't take the initial breakout, they wait for a retest. So that's happening right now. It's not good that it dropped back down below the cloud yesterday, but at the same time, when you look at the oscillator levels, it's come back to these extreme oversold conditions where the composite index is back at these extreme lows. Now, one of the things that I think is a bullish event is when you go back to last week, all right, and for Shiba Inu to complete an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout, and this is depending if you've seen it, Bitcoin and Ethereum's chart already. It's kind of repeating the same thing, except it's with just Shiba Inu now. Is that it would have had to close at around 400, 4,000, whatever number you want to use. Would have had to close all the way up at 0.00004 to initiate a new ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout. But by Wednesday, that threshold dropped, and then you fast forward to where we are now. Shiba Inu needs to close at 0.000029. If it does that, it will complete an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout. And this is the first time in if it does that, let's just say this. If Shiba Inu can move back up to 29, and if that happens, it completes an ideal bullish breakout. That'll be the first time on the daily chart that has occurred since the last time it happened, which was back in October. I'm not suggesting that the same kind of move will occur for Shiba, but that is the same technical Ichimoku breakout setup that preceded that huge rally. But in order for that to happen, Shiba needs to first return inside the cloud, so we need to see it close at least around 25 or higher, and then it needs to get above the Tenkan Sen, the Kijun Sen, and Senko Span B at the top of the cloud. So if it can do that, nice bullish expansion phase. Otherwise, unless something dramatic changes, until we look at Shiba Inu again on Friday here, upside potentials like limited to 27 or 28, and the downside risks, I would say, are probably where it's at, 23. If it moves any lower, that could be a big danger zone, especially if it closes around 21 or under. That'll actually trigger an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout, and then it's kind of like into capitulation mode, sayonara, see ya, probably heading down into the single digits. And that could be pretty bad. Or sorry, not single digits, but back into the 5-0 realm. But we'll have to see what happens and watch it very closely. Otherwise, I think it has a really nice bounce coming up. The whole crypto market does. The technicals are really pointing to that and have been for the last several weeks. Couple weeks, rather. But yeah, I don't know what you see, Akash. I'll pass it off to you. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.